Hey everyone, this is Rashmi and today I am going to discuss about the question paper for BBA and term exam 2021 first semester. So the first question is given that if two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant becomes. So here this was the definitely one particular property we have discussed about in the chapter of determinant. So if two row and column of a determinant are identical, that means they are same, or you can say that the corresponding elements are same, then the value of the determinant becomes 0. So here the answer is equal to 0. Now the next question, in a LPP only the objective function is linear, the constants are linear, the objective functions as well as the constant are linear, none of the above. Now in this question the suitable option is the objective function as well as the constant are linear. Now the third question, which of the following cannot be defined as a set? First option is the set of Assamese Nobel laureates. So here you can clearly say that which person have win the Nobel Prize or not, which Assamese people has win the Nobel Prize or not. So definitely this is a set. Now the set of honest people in a state. Now the term honesty, it is the perception is differs from person to person. I can consider a person a honest, but that qualities whichever the person has, you may not be considered as a honest person, or it is vice versa. That means if you can consider a person as a honest person, but I cannot be consider him as a honest person by looking at his qualities or personality. So this perception differs from person to person. That's why this is not a set, the set of honest people, because here whichever element we will include, all the people will not agree to that. But the next option, the set of odd numbers less than 1000. So here all of the people will agree to the options, because here odd numbers, suppose 3, 5, 7, these are the odd numbers. So if we include the numbers, everybody will agree that yes, that number is less than 1000 and that number is equal to, or that number is odd number. Now the set of active volcanoes in India. Here again this is a set, because active volcanoes all of will agree to the elements we will include to the set. So here the correct answer is the set of honest people in a state. Now the next question, if TC, MC, AC and X represent the total cost, marginal cost, average cost and output respectively, then which of the following are true? Here options are given and the fourth option is given 1, 2 and 3. Here this is the correct formula. Again this is the correct formula. Total cost, if we differentiate the total cost, we get the marginal cost. If we divide total cost by X, then we got the average cost. Then if we integrate the marginal cost, then we got the total cost. All three formula is true. That's why the correct option is this one, option 4, 1, 2 and 3. Now move on to the next question. The next question is given the characteristics of logarithm of a number is this number. Then we have to find out the characteristics. Now to find out the characteristics value, we have to take the number of digits present before the decimal point. Here number of digits present before the decimal point is equal to 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, these are 4 digits. So whenever to find out the characteristics, we have to take -1, or we have to 1 less from the number of digits present before the decimal point. So the digit will be 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So the characteristics of logarithm of the number 3456.89 is 3. So here the value is equal to 3. The next question is the logarithm of 512 to the base 2 is. Here the options are given. We have to find out the solution. So let us solve this equation. This is the question number 1 and F, 1F. Now here we have to find out the logarithm of 512 to the base 2. So here the base is equal to 2. Now we have to express 512 as a powers of 2. So let us find out how many or how much the power has 2. So let us start dividing by 2. So it is 2, then 5, then 6. Then again we can divide by 2. It is 1, then 2, then 8. Divide by 2, 6, 4. Divide by 2, 32. Divide by 2, 16. Divide by 2, 8. Divide by 2, it is 4. Divide by 2, remains 2. So 512 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 to the power 9. So we can write down log 2. This is 2 to the power 9. Now we have the formula log base A, suppose b to the power n. Then this power we can write down in front of the log. So n log BA. Now we can write down the next step by using this formula. Here b to the power n, the power value comes in front of the log. Here 9 we can write down here, then log 2. Now we have another formula log AA is equal to 1. That means if we have the same number with the base value, then the result of the log is equal to 1. Here you can see that this is 2 and this is 2. That means the value of this log 2 is equal to 1. So we can write down 9 into 1 and the value is equal to 9. So here in the question paper, the options are given 8, 9, 10, 11. We have got the answer is equal to 9. Now the next question, value of fg, expression is given 2x square plus 3x plus 1 on x equal to minus 1 is. The options are given. We have to find out the correct answer. So let us solve this question. Here the value is 1g. So let us write down here 1g. Now the expression is given fx is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1. We have to find out x equal to minus 1. So it will be f minus 1. We will replace x equal to minus 1 to the given function. So 2 into minus 1 whole square, 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Now let us simplify the value. 2 into minus 1 whole square value is always 1. Then 3 into minus 1, the value is equal to 3. Then plus 1. 2 minus 3 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. This is minus 3 equal to 0. So the correct answer will be 0. Now see here, the value of these options are given 0, 2, 4, 6. So we have solved that the value of this question or correct answer is equal to 0. Now the next question, if n be a set of natural numbers, the value of 0 minus n is. So options are given, we have to find out the value. This is 1h. So 1h, we have to find out 0 minus n. So we can write down this is set 0 which have the element 0. Now n means the set of natural number, and natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Now in case of difference of these sets, we will see that 0 is not present in this second set. 0 is only present in the first set. 0 is not present in the second set. So here if we take the difference of 0 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will got the same value 0, or you can say that 0 will be present. So this is the answer here. So in the question, if n be a set of natural numbers, the value of 0 minus n is, the answer will be 0. So this is called the difference of the sets. I have already uploaded some previous video about the difference of the set. You can go through the videos if you are not clear concept about the difference of the sets. Because to solve this problem, you should have the clear concept about the difference of the sets. Now let us discuss the next question. Which term of this series 1, 3, 9, 27 is 6, 5, 6, 1? So first of all, we have to find out this value. This is 1i, question number. So question number 1i, the series is given 1, 3, 9, 27. Here this is a GP series. Why? Because the first term is equal to 1. Now if we divide second term by first term, we will get value 3. Then third term is divided by second term 3, again 27 divided by 9, the value is equal to 3. So you can see that the ratio of the conjugative numbers is equal to same. That's why it is a question of GP. Now in the given question, the term is given which is denoted by Tn. Any nth number of AP series or GP series, we always denoted by Tn. It is given as 6, 5, 6, 1. It is given as 6, 5, 6, 1. Now in this series, the first term we will always denote by A, which is equal to 1. Then the common ratio is denoted by R, which is equal to 3. And the nth term is given 6, 5, 6, 1. Now for the nth term of a GP series, the formula is A r to the power n minus 1. So we can write down A value is equal to 1, R value is equal to 3, N value which we don't know, Tn value is 6, 5, 6, 1. Now we know that if we multiply any value by 1, we will got the same value. So this is 3 to the power n minus 1. Now in the right hand side, the value is 6, 5, 6, 1. So we have to express the value 6, 5, 6, 1 as a power of 3. So again, whatever we Done here. 512 divided by 2. In this case, we have to divide 6561 by 3. So this is 2, 1, 26, 8, 7. Again we can divide by 3. This is 7. This is 2. This is 9. Then divide by 3. 2, 4, 3. Again we can divide by 3. 81. Again divide by 3. 27. Divide by 3. 9. Divide by 3. The remaining value is equal to 3. So you can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can say that 3 to the power 8 is equal to 6561. So now we will use this value here. 6561, the value is equal to 3 to the power 8. Now you can see that here the value is equal to 3 and the power is different. In the both side the base value is same but their power is different. So whenever this type of situation we got, we can write down the powers of the both side is equal. So n minus 1 is equal to 8, or you can say that n is equal to 8 plus 1, or 8 value is n value is equal to 9. So what are the options are given? Which term of the following series is 6561? So already we have got that the value n is equal to 9. So we can write down the ninth term is equal to 6561. Now let us discuss the next question. This one, log a by b plus log b by c plus log c by a. So this is the question number 1J. And the question is given log a by b plus log b by c plus log c by a. We have to find out the value. So here we know the formula log m by n. The value is equal to log m minus log n. So here you can see that this is a by b, b by c, c by a. So we can write down log a minus log b. Then for this second value log b minus log c. Then log c minus log a. Now you can clearly see that log a is present minus log a is present. So we can cancel the value. Then minus log b, log b. Again we can cancel the value, minus log c cancel the value. So here remains the value is equal to 0. Now again you can also solve this equation or this question by one another formula, which is log m plus log n. The value is equal to log mn. Okay. This is one method. We have used the formula log m by n here. Again you can also use this formula log m plus log n is log m by n. That means here if you compare the value, first it has m means a by b, n means b by c, and there is another term c by a. So we can write down log a by b plus log b by c plus log c by a. So here log m into n, that means a by b one term, b by c one term, c by a one term. So we can write down a by b into b by c into c by a. Okay. Now say b 1 by b, it is cancel out, a cancel out, c cancel out. Here remains log 1. Now we have one formula, log base value is equal to a 1, the value is always 0. That means if we got whatever base value may be anything, but if we got the number as a 1, the value of log is always 0. Here since no base number is given, that means it has the common base which is equal to 10. Now log 1, the value is equal to 0. So we got the answer 0. So this is one formula. You can solve this equation or this question by using this formula, or you can use this formula. Now what are the options are given? 1, 0, -1, 2. So we got the answer equal to 0.